My name is Tom Nolan. I'm the Apprentice Coordinator for Local 7, Tile, Marble, and Terrazzo Union of New York and New Jersey. So I'm responsible to oversee the training of all three trades for Local 7. We have almost 90 apprentices, 3 different trades, and we have instructors for each trade, and we want to make sure that they get top quality instruction. So I think apprenticeships should be discussed more because they're overlooked. Not only are you getting paid to work and to learn, you're going to come back to school once a week for your apprenticeship, whether it's 4 or 5 years, and we're going to supplement what you're learning in the field. If there's anything you come across that you can't figure out, that's why we're here. So you have this little built-in safety net over your entire apprenticeship of who do I turn to? It's no problem. You have 3, 4, 5 instructors I turn to, and they're going to show me how to, overcome that problem. So the difference between, say, getting into a trade non-union versus trade with the union is, one, the apprenticeship, right? So you have right away, 4 or 5 years you're in training, you're getting paid to learn, and you have these a list of people that have been in the field 20, 25, 30 years that you turn to help you for any technical assistance in terms of installation, new products, anything like that. So what we do is we try and teach the apprentices not only to be professional, to be neat, to be on time. Basically, if we want to be top of the game, we want to get paid top money, we have to work for that, right? We have to be the best of the best, and that's what we work towards. We can teach almost anyone. It's just we would want people that want to be here, right? So, the trades are the trades, right? They're difficult. It can be dusty and dirty at times. It is some heavy lifting, so it's not always easy, but it's certainly learnable. But you have to want to learn, right? If the more you put into it is what you're going to get out of it.